Beautiful little morning. Let's go get the morning started. Get some chores done. Good morning, boys. How's it going? Good morning, guys. You ready for some food? This is our second batch of meat birds, and they're due to get processed in about 4 weeks. Looking forward to it. Hey, how you guys doing this morning? Did you have a good night? Do a little walkthrough. Make sure nothing devoured our vegetables. Some of the goji berries are doing really good, whereas others are just struggling. They've been just devouring the blueberries growing off of these plants. Beautiful wildflowers in front of the greenhouse are all in bloom.